Hello Techstar team, I'm Melchior Labrousse. Today I want to walk you through the demo so you can really fully understand the product and vision. So developers are building increasingly complex AI agents, but debugging their reasoning is still very painful. Agent logs, as you can see right here, are long, unstructured, and nearly impossible to interpret at a glance, right? That's the goal of Memento. It turns raw agent traces into a clear visual reasoning map. This is the exact same trace through Memento. Obviously, it's meant to ingest any types of traces from any environment, local, staging, prod, or CI. But today I'm using this deterministic offline trace so you can clearly see how the product behaves. Instead of scrolling through JSON lines, you get a structured reasoning graph. Obviously, this is not a very complex graph. It can get much bigger, but each node represents a step in the agent's reasoning with a color code. On the right, we also have the node inspector panel, which is a feature I just started working on, so please don't judge how it looks. I know it's very minimal. It's very ugly as well. The point is that it can surface the raw data of the trace, so ID, type, confidence score, timestamp, and the original content from the log. You can see we have metadata, the raw data of the JSON, and the reasoning. I want to put much more stuff into here, but as I said previously, I just started working on it. So the goal is to be able to click on any node of the graph and instantly see the underlying JSON without looking for it in the logs, which is annoying. Even in this MVP, Memento already gives you more signal than raw logs. You can follow the exact reasoning path step by step, see the confidence score on each node, and expect the full payload behind any step in one click. That alone makes it so much easier to debug why an agent did something weird. Not what it did, why. Or to explain its behavior to your team. This demo, as I said, is the most minimal version of Memento. Where I'm going next is to make these maps actionable, not just visual. And that's where I think the real value is lying at. Imagine automatic detection of suspicious or inefficient reasoning path. Imagine explanation of why a run failed or behaved unexpectedly. Imagine recommended fixes to improve safety, reliability, and also compliance as more and more leverage is put into agents. The graph you're seeing is the foundation I'll layer those insights on top of. So that's Memento today, a simple way to see what your AI is actually thinking and doing step by step instead of drowning in JSON. I'm Melchior Labrousse. Thanks for watching.